Okay guys, for lesson 10, this is going to be a bit different from the other 9 lessons. This one's going to be, what did you learn? And it's going to be a paper summary. Well, actually, there's going to be 2 options. You have a paper summary or you can do a Google slide summary. It has to be around 3 pages long. And it's basically given a timeline of the war, considering now that you know a lot more about it. It needs to be 3 pages long, it needs to be double spaced, Times New Roman font. Get creative with it, give me a lot of detail. The more detail you can give me, the better. That way it shows me that you learned a lot about the war. Or what you can do is you can do a Google slide presentation for me. I'm not going to have you do a screencast for it. I was originally going to let you do that, but I think that would have been too much. So the Google slide presentation has to be at least 10 slides, and it has to go on the same format as the paper summary. And the paper summary has to be on a Google Doc if you decide to do that. And you can send me the link for that and make it shareable too. And the same thing with the Google slide, make it shareable. Has to be at least 10 slides. Get creative with it. Give me a lot of pictures. Show me a lot of information that you know, like how the war started, what happened during the war, and how the war ended. I gave you enough information that you should be able to give me some significant events that happened during the war, what started the war, and what ended the war. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed Unit 1. I can't wait to see what your summaries look like. So we'll see you later.